Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raihan Nurpadillah, class 19.1A.13. NIM 19419240654. I will explain materi about computer and hardware here. Komputer topik 1. 1. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine designed to manipulate data and perform operations based on a series of instructions called program. Main characteristics of computer. 1. Receiving input. The computer receives data and instructions from various input devices such as keyboard, mouse, or sensor. 2. Processing data. Computer have a central processing unit CPU the exhaust instruction and process data. 3. Sorting data. Computer have memory to store data and program, both temporarily RAM and permanently such as hard disk or SSDs. 4. Processing output. The computer display the result of processing in various from output depend such as monitor, printer, or speaker. 2. What components are there in a computer? Internal component. 1. Motherboard. The main circuit board to which all other internal components are connected. 2. CPU. Central Processing Unit. The brain of the computer that does most of the calculation. 3. RAM. Random Access Memory. Temporal memory to store data. This is currently being actively used. External component. 1. Input device. Keyboard to enter text and command. Mouse to control the cursor and interact with the graphical interface. Microphone to input sound. 2. Output device. Monitor to display visual output. Printer to print document. Speaker to produce sound output. Hardware. Topic 2. 1. What is a hardware? Hardware, or in Indonesia called hardware, is all the physical component of a computer system that can be seen and touched. In simple terms, hardware is the body of a computer, while software is its brain. Both work together to make the computer function. Main function of hardware. Received input hardware devices a keyboard and mouse allow user to enter data and command into the computer. 2. Processing data. The central processing unit CPU is the brain of the computer that process all instruction and data. 3. Sorting data. Stroke devices and hard disk device HDDs or solid state device SSDs are used to store data primarily. One will random access memory RAM. Temporal store data that is currently in use. 2. What are some examples of hardware? Examples of hardware input device. 1. Keyboard text input the list about a keyboard depends for entering text and charts by forcing key called keys, similar to a template. 2. To a mouse is an input hardware device that allow you to impress with a graphic user interface (GUI) on a computer. Physically, a mouse is usually small, can be held in one hand, and has one or more buttons. 3. Microphone. As a input device, the microphone is staged which captures sound from the surrounding environment and sending it as an electric signal to another device to be processed, recorded, or transmitted. Present by Raihan Nurpadilah. That's all in that that's all I can explain, more or less. I approached it. Three are any wrong words because I am still in the state of learning English.